Got a small bedroom that always feels tight, cluttered, or hard to style? These 20 clever interior design hacks will help you maximize space and make your room look bigger and better than ever. Watch until the end because we'll show you 3 stunning before and after transformations of small bedrooms using these exact hacks. Hack number 1, use a bed with built-in storage drawers. Your bed can be more than just a place to sleep. If you're short on space, use a bed frame with built-in drawers underneath. It's the perfect spot to hide off-season clothes, bed sheets, or even extra shoes. You'll instantly gain storage without needing another bulky cabinet. Hack number 2, choose a wall-to-wall headboard. Want to make your bedroom feel bigger without moving walls? Use a headboard that stretches across the entire width of your bed wall. It creates a sense of visual width and gives your room a more luxurious, hotel-like feel. Even in a small space, this trick makes a big impression. Hack number 3, skip a bed frame, use a low platform base. Bulky bed frames take up more space than you think. Try using a low platform bed instead. It visually opens up the room and makes your ceiling feel taller. Bonus, it's modern, clean, and gives off that minimalist aesthetic. Your room will breathe more literally and visually. Hack number 4, add fluted panels or upholstered wall behind the bed. Want to upgrade your room without adding clutter? Install fluted panels or an upholstered wall just behind your bed. It adds instant texture and softness, and you don't even need extra wall decor. It's a sleek way to make your room look designer without sacrificing space. Hack number 5, install LED strip lighting behind the headboard. You don't need a big lamp to set the mood. Stick LED strip lights behind your headboard for that cozy, hotel-style glow. It's soft, modern, and totally space-saving. Plus, you'll never stub your toe walking in the dark again. Hack number 6, create a built-in niche or recessed shelf above bed. Need extra space for books, plants, or decor? Build a shallow niche right above your headboard. It acts like a floating shelf, but cleaner, and it doesn't stick out into the room. A smart way to add function without losing an inch of floor. Hack number 7, use a narrow console instead of a bulky dresser. Dressers can eat up precious space fast. Swap yours for a sleek, narrow console table. You'll still get a surface for your essentials and maybe even a drawer or two without making your room feel crowded. Sleek, functional, and space-friendly. Hack number 8, choose multi-use furniture. Why settle for furniture that only does one thing? Choose pieces like ottomans or benches that double as storage. You get a seat and a hidden spot for your extra blankets, clothes, or books. In a small bedroom, every piece needs to work overtime, and this one does it beautifully. Hack number 9, use slim wall-mounted nightstands. No space for a full-size nightstand? Mount a slim shelf or floating drawer beside your bed. It keeps your phone, lamp, or book within reach without using up floor space. Your bedroom feels cleaner, lighter, and instantly more modern. Hack number 10, go for a wall-mounted vanity or study desk. A bulky desk can overwhelm a small room, but you still need a workspace. Install a wall-mounted vanity or mini study desk to save floor area. It's minimal, functional, and perfect for getting things done without cluttering your space. Hack number 11, use large-scale art instead of multiple small frames. Lots of small frames can make your room feel busy. Try one large piece of artwork instead. It draws the eye and calms the space. It also helps define your style without overwhelming the wall. Fewer pieces, more impact. Hack number 12, hang curtains from ceiling to floor, even on small windows. Short curtains shrink your room visually. Hang your curtains all the way from ceiling to floor, even if your window is small. It elongates the walls and makes the entire room feel taller. This one simple change makes a massive difference. Hack number 13, use wall sconces instead of table lamps. Table lamps eat up your precious bedside surface. Wall sconces give you the light you need without using floor or table space. Plus, they add a stylish, hotel-like touch. You'll wonder why you didn't do this sooner. Hack number 14, add task lighting under floating shelves or above desk. If you've got a study nook or makeup corner, don't rely on overhead lights alone. Install task lighting under shelves or above the desk for focused brightness. It keeps shadows away and helps you work or prep without straining your eyes. Smart lighting, smarter space. Hack number 15, paint the ceiling a soft warm white or pale neutral. Bright white ceilings can feel disconnected, especially in cozy bedrooms. Instead, use a soft, warm white or pale beige to keep things unified and gentle. It lowers contrast and makes the space feel more relaxing. A subtle change, but it transforms the vibe. Hack number 16, use flush mount fixtures with diffused light. Forget bulky chandeliers, they'll overwhelm your ceiling in a small bedroom. Choose a flush mount light with a soft diffuser. It spreads light evenly and keeps the ceiling looking clean and open. The right fixture can quietly elevate your whole room. Hack number 17, tuck a desk beside or behind the bed. Need a study or work zone but don't have room for a separate corner? Slide a narrow desk beside or even behind your bed. It becomes part of your layout without taking over the room. It's one of the smartest ways to sneak in productivity. Hack number 18, use a floating corner desk. Corners are often wasted, but not if you do this. A small floating desk in the corner gives you a functional workspace with zero floor bulk. Add a wall shelf above it and you've got a full mini office setup. Efficient, tidy, and totally space-saving. Hack number 19, use vertical storage cabinets that reach the ceiling. Don't let your ceiling height go to waste. Install tall, slim cabinets that go all the way up. It's perfect for seasonal storage or things you don't use daily. The best part? It draws the eye upward and makes your room feel taller. You gain storage without crowding the room. Hack number 20, add underbed storage bins with handles or rollers. Your underbed space is a storage goldmine if you use it right. Slide in bins with handles or rollers so you can access things easily. Great for shoes, linens, or off-season clothes without adding furniture. Out of sight, but always within reach. Now, here are 3 small bedroom rooms transformed using these exact hacks. Notice how each space feels more open, functional, and beautifully styled without major renovations. If any of these hacks sounded familiar, let us know in the comments. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. If you want more home transformations, make sure to subscribe.